Remember when blogging meant endless hours writing, editing, and hoping someone would read your work? You'd brainstorm ideas, obsess over a domain name, set up WordPress, and then face the daunting blank page. Weeks would go by learning SEO, keyword research, and formatting, just to get a trickle of visitors. Most people quit before earning a cent. Now, imagine waking up with a blog idea and having a fully built site with dozens of articles by lunchtime. These articles are well-written SEO optimized, and packed with images and videos, ready to go live. This isn't science fiction, it's blogging in 2026. The process that once took months now takes minutes. Instead of grinding for hours, you leverage technology to do the heavy lifting. 10 minutes can generate 10 articles, freeing you to focus on strategy or launch another blog. The speed and efficiency are game-changing. Building a passive income blog is no longer a distant dream. It's accessible to anyone with a computer and an idea. The old way was exhausting and uncertain. The new way? It's about working smarter, not harder. Technology has smashed the barriers to entry. Blogging has never been this easy, or this exciting. AI writers like Jasper and Copy.ai promised to revolutionize content creation. They sped up writing, but left you with a pile of unfinished work. You still had to format, add images, and optimize for SEO. It was like having a fast but clueless intern. The AI wrote text, but you did the rest, logging into WordPress, formatting, and searching for images. And when it came to SEO, these tools fell flat. They didn't know which keywords to use or how to structure articles for Google. You still needed expensive SEO tools and manual editing. The process was fragmented and time-consuming, multiple subscriptions, endless tabs, and lots of copy-pasting. Sure, it was faster than starting from scratch, but far from effortless. The dream of building passive income sites in minutes remained out of reach. You were still stuck in a slightly improved version of the old, broken system. The promise of AI was there, but the reality was underwhelming. True automation and true freedom was still missing. That's where the next evolution comes in. Enter ContentRyte, the all-in-one platform that changes everything. Imagine an AI that writes, optimizes, designs, and publishes your articles directly to your blog. No more juggling 5 different tools or subscriptions. ContentRyte connects to your website and automates every step. It researches keywords, writes SEO-friendly articles, finds images and videos, and formats everything beautifully. It even crafts compelling titles and meta descriptions. 95% of the work is done for you. Now, you can create a fully optimized, ready-to-publish article in under 5 minutes. Each article becomes a digital asset, earning you money through ads, affiliate links, or leads. Build a portfolio of income-generating content at lightning speed. The barriers are gone. ContentRyte unlocks true passive income potential. Blogging is finally as easy and as profitable as it should be. Work smarter, not harder. Building a blog with ContentRyte is shockingly simple, just 4 steps. Step 1, connect your WordPress blog with a few clicks. Step 2, enter a topic or keyword, like how to make cheap iced coffee at home. The AI instantly researches top-ranking articles, finds the best keywords, and plans your content. Step 3, the AI writes a complete high-quality article, adding relevant images and videos automatically. Your post is engaging, visually appealing, and optimized for both readers and search engines. Step 4. Click publish or schedule it for later. Your article goes live on your blog. No manual uploads, no formatting headaches. The entire process takes less than 5 minutes. You can build out a brand new site with dozens of articles in a single afternoon. No technical skills required. No endless hours spent writing or editing. Just pick a topic, let the AI work, and publish. Content creation at scale has never been this easy. Anyone can do it. The future of blogging is here. Can you actually make money with AI-powered blogs? Absolutely. Fill your site with helpful articles and monetize with ads or affiliate links. More content means more chances to rank on Google and attract visitors. Write product reviews, add affiliate links, and earn commissions. Passive income at its best. Worried about Google penalizing AI content? Don't be. Google cares about helpful, reliable, people-first content, not whether it's written by a human or AI. If your articles answer questions and provide value, Google will rank them. Tools like ContentRyte are built to create exactly the kind of content Google loves. The barriers to starting a profitable blog have never been lower. No more excuses about time or SEO knowledge. The technology is here, and the opportunity is massive. Launch your blog, build your income streams, and take advantage of this new era. Have you tried starting a blog before? Share your experience in the comments. Now's the time to make your blogging dreams a reality.